Hey Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for next 48 hours. We will see your person's energy towards you and what are their feelings and intentions towards you. What can you expect? Okay. Let's please let me put Libra's person's energy towards Libra for next 48 hours. This person is waiting for something. Libra, I feel there is some drama going on in your life, and I also feel that you both, this is about ego. You both want to heal this relationship, but something unexpected has happened, and for now, there is a lot of competition and drama here, and you both, I see that you both are guarded and you both have some kind of pride. This is a game of ego, I feel. I see competition here. Yes, you are fed up. Your person feels that this is very burdening for you and you are fed up from them. Maybe you guys are not talking that much like you used to, and I also feel that this is about a love connection. Now, for others of you, I'm getting if you are already with a married person, that your person is married or in some other commitment, then this person is feeling very burdened because of their past, and I feel it is related to child as well. Yes, it could be a third party situation for some of you, and for others of you who are not in a third party, I feel that your person is waiting for you and they feel that you are fed up from them. You have been hurt according to them, and now you are not up for games. You are not ready to take any bullshit, but they feel you have love for them. You still love them. They might have emotionally manipulated you, but for now your person feels that you just want to remain single or emotionally independent from them. I also feel they see you as someone who is doing good financially and you are happy. Your person feels you are very happy. For some of you, I'm getting this could be a same sex Libra. But your person thinks that it's better to focus on their finances and ignore you or this connection. If you are turning your back from your person, then your person intends to focus on themselves and ignore this connection, and your person is indecisive. They don't know what they want, or they are not able to make a decision yet. But this person was at the crossroads, and for now they are waiting for something. I have two cards here which indicates your person is waiting for something. Now it is also possible they are waiting for you, but this person is waiting for something, and I also feel that if in the past they were very indecisive, if it was a third party situation, they are turning their back from someone or a particular situation. We will see that. They love you. Your person has that sexual attraction towards you, but something has ended in this person's life and a major transformation is going on right now. This person feels a deep connection with you. At the same time, they are just, this could be very intuitive person and they are going through some major transformation here. They also feel a deep connection with you, but this person is very silent or mysterious. I also feel this person is very disappointed because of some toxicity. I definitely see third party situation here in this reading for some of you. For others of you, I feel this person wants to have a commitment with you, but they are disappointed over their past, over some unhealthy attachments. If they were not able to bring a balance in this relationship, then they are regretting that now. But this person loves you and they have that passion towards you. This person wants to talk to you and they want to close a cycle because it is very burdening for them. I really feel that this is about someone's child. If this is not about someone's child, for others of you I'm getting, they are very burdening over a particular situation. If this person haven't put you in a third party, it is also possible that they put you in a third party and now you are with someone else, so they feel they are in a third party with you. So this is what I'm getting here, that this is about two people and this situation is very draining for them. This person is very drained, I feel, and they want a closure with you, and also they feel distant from you. Could be a long distance relationship for some of you. They will be very confused. At the same time, they will move forward and apologize to you. Yes, they will come towards you. You can, if you're wishing for this person to come towards you, this is going to happen. And if there was a stagnancy in this relationship, for, yes, it is about commitment. If your relationship was not, if you were in an open relationship, or if this person was not able to give you commitment, even if they didn't want to, if they were just watching you from a distance, and I feel there were a lot of arguments about that and some kind of ending and separation here, but this person wants to reconcile with you. And if this is your story and they were watching you from a distance for so long, they were trying to figure out what exactly they want and what can they do in the situation. A major spiritual awakening has happened to this person, and this person maybe needed healing, but now this person wants to heal this relationship and they want to come towards you to apologize to you, to express their emotions. And what is this person is going to be overthinking about the situation. They are in their head about you, and they also feel that you have that ability to nurture them, nurture this bond. It could also be possible if they already have a wife, then they are thinking about that, they are confused about that. But the thing is, they feel that passion for you. But Libra, if you are a female watching this reading, I really hope that you have options here, and they are feeling that competition and they feel stuck. Anyhow, this person is going to make a move towards you, but I see dishonesty here, and someone was very self-centered. They did not want to give you commitment, or someone was not reliable. But I do see communication happening here, but it could also be possible that you or someone else, if there was not deception in this relationship, which I feel there was, then it is also possible that someone here has a habit of speaking without filter. Like someone could be very harsh and straight to the point on someone's face. But I do see, for some of you, I really feel that this is about someone's child. For others of you, I'm seeing this is about communication and leaving the other person out in the cold, or holding back from the other person. That's what I'm getting here. But when it comes to action, this person is going to be very confused. This person will try to distract him or her in their work, and they're going to think about you a lot, but eventually they are going to come towards you. I also feel, Libra, that in next 48 hours you are going to receive text from two people, and one could be Sag or one could be water sign. It is also possible. If you are married to this person, then expect your husband to reach out to you, and also expect your lover to reach out to you. That's what I'm getting here. Because whoever was acting very detached from you, that person is going to come back to you. Yes, because they have made their decision now, I feel. They are in the process, because this person is still going to be confused, but eventually they will take action towards you. Also expect passion here. Let's get messages from your person, what they have to say to you. How can you not see that I do care about you? You were my favorite entertainer. Come to bed with me. I told you expect passion here. Messages from Libra's persons, please. Okay. I feel alone. You deserve better. You deserve to be loved. Let's fall in love again. I'm a bad liar. Don't hurt me. And you were always right, but I wasn't wrong either. At the bottom we have, I don't feel the connection anymore. I told you, Libra, this person is waiting and waiting, and they feel you are fed up. So this person wants to tell you that they feel alone, they are a bad liar. I really feel that this person couldn't give you commitment, and they couldn't lie to you that they are not very sure about you. So that's what I'm getting from here. Could just apply to a situation. And don't hurt me, you were always right, but I wasn't wrong either. I was seeing the drama and arguments here, so that's about the arguments, I feel. And this person want to say that don't hurt me, let's fall in love again, you deserve better, you deserve to be loved. This person knows that they have done wrong to you, yet they want you, and they really want you. Come to bed with me, let's fall in love again. They want to start this again. And you were my favorite entertainer. How can you not see that I do care about you? This person cares about you, but they were entertaining someone else as well. I really feel this person is married or in some other commitment, or it could be you as well. I will say again that in this reading I am seeing same sex. I also feel, Libra, that I'm reading for two couples here. I don't know why. You could be older to your person as well, or just you find your person immature. Okay, Libra, I'm seeing reunion here, I'm seeing balance here, and something is going to change. If you were feeling alone and left out in the cold, if someone was very detached and holding back from you, this person is going to come towards you for reconciliation. I see balance here, and I see breakup, that you had an ending with this person, and that is going to change now. I see balance here, I see reconciliation, and I see reunion here. So these are your cards for the outcome. Temperance with the Three of Cups. So I definitely see good times here, Libra, for next 48 hours for you. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope this reading helped you. Bye bye and take care.